Hello to all employers in Hong Kong. Have a good day. I'm Jaren Peñarovia, 37 years of age. I'm from Philippines in the province of Iloilo. I am married and blessed with two children, one girl and one boy. Their age is 8 and 4. I've been worked before at Kuwait last October 2012 until April 2015, and I finished my contract with 2 years and 6 months. My duty and responsibility is take good care of the baby, washing and ironing the clothes, cleaning the house, and marketing with my mom. I am hardworking, trustworthy, patient, and joyful nanny. I will assure you, madam, that I will do my duty in my responsibility as your worker if you choose me. And I will also willing to learn how to cook a Chinese food and willing to work with you within 10 years. Have a good